Ito ang big announcement ng SB19 sa kasagsagan ng kanilang concert sa Perth, Australia. Ito yung wakas at simula. Bali, ang pizza o date ang ni-reveal nila. Wakas at simula. Ang simula ay January. Sa Pilipinas mangyayari. Bali may concert or something like ano bang mangyayari. And then pagka-April, same year, next year, 2026, ang wakas naman. O diba talagang misteryoso ito kung ano mangyayari. January and April. April or January, next year, 2026. Kaya abangan natin yan, kaabang-abang at ka-excited. I mean, ka-excite ang magaganap next year.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.